when you're feeling low, lost in the dark, and all hope seems to be falling apart. Just remember there's a spark inside of you, a fire burning bright, waiting to break through. Yeah. Rise up, illuminate, let your spirit soar. You're a shooting star, forever so much more. Don't you let the world dim your glowing light. Let inspiration ignite your inner fire.
Hey Inspirers, welcome back to another vlog. I'm really sorry for this, but this video is going to be a little different because I have lost all of the audio for this video, and because of that, I'll be doing a voice over to help you understand what I'm saying over here. So now that this is all cleared up, let me tell you what this vlog is going to be about. It's Christmas. I mean, the Christmas is nearby, and for that, our university had decided to arrange some master classes for the students to enjoy. And I decided to participate in the two of the master classes that interested me. So today is day one of the master class, and I have decided to go, which is about making a Christmas toy. I don't really know about what is going to happen and how everything is going to be, but let's continue watching the video so that we understand what is going to happen. So now until we reach the university and I show you everything, let me talk about Christmas and what Christmas is to me. So Christmas has been one of my favorite festivals while growing up. As I was in a convent school, we used to celebrate Christmas with great pride, and even now I love Christmas. But little did I know, not all of the countries, not all of the people celebrate Christmas on the 25th of December. A few of the people, like the Russians, celebrate their Christmas much more later. Like whole of the world, what I know about is celebrating the Christmas on the 25th of December. But the Russians celebrate it on the 6th of January. And we know our Santa Claus is red, everyone's wearing red and white. But no, the Russians have to do something different, and they don't really have any Santa. They have something blue and white code for the Christmas, and I don't really know what is the reason, and I have not taken the efforts to see what it is. But this is the difference about the Christmas from what I used to celebrate and what we celebrate over here. But you can see how the streets and everything are decorated even 1.5 to 2 months prior. So we have finally reached the university, and now let's see what we are going to do. After reaching the classroom, we saw that the teacher and everyone was over here already. We were a little late, and after entering the classroom, we saw that the teacher had laid down a mat so that the tables wouldn't get dirty, because not all of us were professional paint artists. All of us are medical students who just want to get a little bit of peace. So she gave all of the materials to us, like the paints, brushes, water, the wood thingies that we were going to paint on, pencils, erasers, and everything was given to us by the teacher. She even got us this plastic aprons which we had to wear so that we don't dirty our clothes, and she was so generous for for us to bring all of these things. And with that, we ended our masterclass with everyone having this cute hangings for our Christmas tree, and we also shouted Merry Christmas, but that didn't come because, as you know, I have lost my audio for the videos. After coming outside, you can see it was snowing, and it was also quite windy because the snow doesn't fall like that. And now let's head home, and then I'll tell you everything about it. So I'm finally back home. The lady was very nice. She also gave us these bags to carry our decorations, and we have made these. She guided us through each and every step, what to draw, how to draw, and everything. She told us even what paints to do, where. She gave us all the supplies, literally from the pencil to the paints, everything she gave us, and it was quite fun. So it's the next day, and I am back. I am ready to leave for the next masterclass. So today's masterclass is going to be about painting with acrylic paints and on a canvas. So if you've seen my vlogs, my shorts, reels, then you might be knowing that I paint a lot. Actually, I spend a lot of Sundays painting, but I haven't painted on a canvas yet. So this is going to be new for me, and I am quite excited. I hope that it is going to be as fun as it was yesterday. And now let's leave. Also, there's one more thing that I wanted to show you. The yesterday's decors that we made, I have put it on my Christmas tree and they look absolutely beautiful. Let me show you. So I've put them like this and I think they look very nice. Unlike the day before, we reached early today and the teacher was just setting things up. So I asked her if I could help her set things around and also shoot the vlog. So she was quite excited for that, and so I also helped her out a bit. And with that, we were ready to let the students in and give the same supplies like yesterday, the aprons and everything was already set up, the canvases, brushes, paints, and everything, and everyone was quite happy. A lot of students had to share their canvases, but it's okay.
Свои елки. Раз, два, три. One, two, three.
Everyone say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Раз, два, три.
Merry Christmas.
I'm finally back home from the masterclass. Today was a very different experience. I have first time tried painting on a canvas and it was very wholesome. So this is my masterpiece from today, and this is my own creativity. This wasn't there in the picture that the teacher had shown us, and that is it. So I'm going to end this vlog over here. I'll see you in the next week. Until then, bye bye and keep inspiring. Also, a very Merry Christmas to you.